stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Another episode now you don't land for your junction today. Now your health. And today's episode is Sempe, Imekwe. And the information nuko not only for you if you to get them. You want to know today's topic, ma show you small. See ya.
Hey, because you now shape it and because it's clear and fine, you have now showed the whole world.
It is a body
you have
order.
now showed the whole world.
You see, she never even make her even do her own introduction.
Sorry, not vex.
Today's show, we dey talk about body odor, aka bromhidrosis. But not be only me waka come, but who I be? Your Niger half caste Luchi Nobong. My sister, my kinky doctor, we took eye inside enter to on Top TV. She don't come with me, but she got to do an introduction.
Yes, I took her enter on Top TV, and that thing where you do right now, I need to talk on top the matter because the thing fine. Now you just they show the whole world. Hey, now wow for you. Anyway, now maybe your one and only Dr. Hadora, yes. And the matter, as my sister talked today, now body odor. You know, say this body odor. Hey, smelling things. You don't cause gbege. You don't scatter husband and wife. You don't even scatter family members, as in you don't cause gbege for inside bus and different places. So we say, what we do? Make we enlighten you, educate you on top the matter today. Yes, so that's why we bring and come your domot. So today we go just to waiting the body odor be, waiting the cause them, how you fit take manage them. Then on top that one we come release some kind things where you go do to make sure say you not get this body or to prevent them. Then after that one, we go teach you how to touch your swag on top the body odor things. This now still now your health too, so make you not just go anywhere.
You know why? You got to see on top of this show because first of all, your ear go stand.
We dey come back with more information on top na your health. So, come out your shoe or leave them.
How to stop to chopulate mede food? You know say if you reduce as you dey chop mede food, how we dey shack you to chop am sef go reduce. So if you fit find as you go dey chop better healthy food, small, you go dey see as your mind go comot from wanting to chop mede food. This na 3 correct way wey fit help you. Make you use the 5-ingredient method to dey buy your healthy food. The ogbonge way to stop to dey chop mede food na to avoid to dey buy processed and packed food. In short, if you no think about am, e no fit shack you to chop. Okay, we know say e go hard make person no think of mede at all, but at least e dey possible not to think am too much. So you fit follow the 5-ingredient method when you dey buy your food stuff. The method be say, if food get more than 5 ingredients inside, abeg no buy am. Because if it be say dem don design am to mumu you, so you go dey buy the product. Avoid those kind food and still don put with natural ones. Dey mix your food. Although if it no dey easy to comot the creamy yummy taste of all this mede food dem, you fit still dey mix your healthy food so you go dey enjoy the food as well. Add new spice and flavor inside your food to make am dey more attractive and still dey healthy. To chop healthy no mean say food no go dey attractive and fanimorous. For instance, if you want chop fruit, you fit mix watermelon with apple with banana, so you go mix all the colors together so e go dey glow and e go dey ginger you want chop am. Just try dey chop different kind healthy food and mix them very well together. If it even dey easy pass to chop the same kind mede every time. Find better way to manage your stress. Plenty reason dey why people dey chop mede. E fit be sake of say dem dey try manage stress. Stress dey make some part of the brain to produce chemical wey dey make body want chop fatty and sugary food. And na this mede dem bin get am plenty. Na everybody dey feel stress for im life at one point in time. So to learn to handle stress well fit help you to manage and avoid as you dey want chop mede food. You fit just do some kind breathing technique or do meditation. You fit even do exercise to comot the stress so you no go dey hungry for mede food. But you need to know say this one na just tiny informate to help you comot addiction of mede. Na small you go start with these steps. Then you fit ask your nutritionist, order more ogbonge and conk way to finally kiss this chopulating of mede food. Bye.
I know say that one we just hear, so your ear don't tang that tiao. But this body odor what they talk of, so AKA bromhidrosis.
Yeah.
I pronounce that well.
Pronounce that well.
Bromhidrosis. Yes.
Yes.
All right. You know say this bromhidrosis, AKA body odor. On a good day, this sweat where they for our body, it know the smell. At all, you know they smell. Now, when some kind bacteria where they for our body, when the thing they break down that acid where they inside that sweat, the process of breaking and down, then they make this our sweat, they smell, and then they bring this body odor what they talk about so today.
Yes, so, and this body odor matters, you know, the genesis of the genesis, how the thing takes starts. Now, first of all, for inside this our body, we get two types of sweat glands. Now, so we call them sweat glands. One of them, get ready, has eccrine glands. The second one, the toxin, apocrine glands. The first thing, this eccrine glands, it dey every part of our body, and they produce sweat. Oh, I forget to mention, say our body get 3 to 4 million sweat glands. All this eccrine and apocrine put together, all of them reach like 3 to 4 million for inside our body. These eccrine glands, they release sweat, but you know they smell like that. But this apocrine gland, you know where then they inside those places where we get hair pass, like our armpits, like my sister first shown now.
Yes.
Then all the other parts where we carry hair, like down below, and different other places where hair they. Now so this apocrine gland, now there, then tanda, and then they release different sweat according to the level of your sweatism. That's what I want to call them, depending on how they release your own sweat. But I guess some other things where they make, when this sweat mix with the bacteria where they follow us for body, plus the one where they our body, plus the one where come from outside, and that time they go begin they smell. Then when this thing like this begins smell, at that time, if you they pass like this, hey, person go want take cover. But to get some other things where you go do, it go make you they smell like that. And one of them now when you they chop some kind food, but we no go send you the food now. Later we go deliver waiting this food be where if you chop your body go they smell.
Yes, so and this apocrine gland.
Ask me to help you, darling.
Yes, please.
Apocrine glands.
Apocrine
yes.
glands. She goes school. Really go school. This apocrine glands, what they talk of so. Now they really be the cause. Now they get the sweat where they cause this body odor. You know why? Because it get plenty protein where they inside them, where they make the bacteria to one break and down to different kind of acid. Now this apocrine glands, I get them. And then some people, they get plenty of these glands. If they plenty for their body, people will get them plenty. Now they get the worst of the worst body odor. They get them well. Or people where this the sweat or the hair where they get for all those areas where this apocrine gland they gather. With their hair they plenty for there, or the kind of bacteria where they get for their body. If that bacteria plenty, wait so they dance a lantern, they do champion, they do play your lane, I play my lane, they do 10-10 on top of your body. Those are the people they get the worst of the worst body odor. But we got to ask. I want to ask Dr. Dora. Dr. Dora, how would they really get this? They get age range, or they get a boy and a girl? Who they get this body odor pass?
Well, as you have asking me the question, how we answer you?
Answer it.
Yes, then talk say, you know what they call puberty. This now when boys and girls don't they reach that age, and they don't they make shakara. You know, some kind things don't they come out for their girls, don't they grow some things for front. Guys can't they, you know, experience some kind wet dreams. Yes, when all these things begin happen, now then what's in the tickle you?
I don't say what here wet dreams.
when all these when all these things begin happens, hey, that time our sweat glands go they Paris schools. Now that time they release different kind of sweat where they mix with different bacteria they cause body odor. Then on top that one, men then get sweat glands past women. So therefore, then they sweat past women. So therefore, their own body odor not be here. Another kind of people where they get this sweat thing, where they get this plenty sweating, and people where don't big. They call them obese.
Or rubber.
You know, say you overweight or rubber. So that they call them. If you big like that, to get the tendency. Then you get some kind of medical conditions like diabetes. People will get diabetes. If they know they treat and well, they correct and well, then too, if you get this body odor.
And if you self won't manage this body odor, because plenty of us and they talk us so that make you no fear, make you know sometimes yes we they get natural body odor. It depends on how you feel to manage them for your body. One of the things what we know say you're supposed to do, those areas where they smell, where they make sure say those areas you keep them clean. I beg. If hair there for those places, your armpit you be for there because tea and shaving stick layer. Cutter, come on, make it clean. That's your down below. I beg. We know not everybody they see your down below, but shave them, trim them. That jungle for there, it is too much. It is too much because it gets even some kind of deodorant, and we know say soap especially. You where they use soap. You're supposed to use soap every day. I know some people they use soap once in 2 days because they try minus the kind of soap they get. If they try manage, they say no, this soap, it's too dear, it's too dear. You know, guys to use expensive soap to comot body odor. You don't need to use expensive soap at all. Then deodorant, the kind deodorant too where you go to use. Some people they find deodorant of 2005. As long as the deodorant they make sure say your body odor they come out. Make I tell you this deodorant they do. The deodorant they make sure say that your sweat glands they over sweat. If you notice sometimes when you use some kind of deodorant or spray, when you spray and even when you sweat everywhere, that place no go sweat. That place no go sweat.
I'm smart, but I get some people we get within what they call hyperhidrosis. This one, now when only you want your own sweating pass everybody own sweating. Until say you get sweat gland pass everybody, or your sweat gland, their own activeness not be here. They're too they hyper. So therefore you go they release plenty sweat. So on top of that one, plus your foot everywhere go they release. You don't touch some kind of people where if you just touch their hand like this, you go just see sweat for their body. Those people that they get that condition where they call hyperhidrosis. And this one, a medical condition. You waka go meet your doctor, make your doctor for tell you what you go do to help your own condition.
Adora, she just talk this medical condition, this early morning where they can't walk, Adora. Early morning where you know say at least this person don't bath. As the person pass me so, you know they like saying onions.
You fall under the anointing.
Oh my! Hey! Chineke na mere because no. Adora, if he says my face, just follow him. What's it with this early morning, sharp morning? But the way they say to some people they will get this kind of condition and say that surgery depends on the level of body the way you get. They say that surgery in some cases, or they go do you some kind of injection where go come out this body the pata from your body. I beg.
But the one where you feel do for yourself, I beg try do one. It is very important. Make you day clean. They wash your clothes. Especially this heat nowadays. Not be here. Person go sweat from morning till night to go reach out, go fold that kind of clothes, put that inside cupboard. How do you do that? That is very wrong. I beg. Apart from cleaning all those outward ones when my sister don't talk, I beg, make you they wash your clothes. Make sure say it they very clean. And if you not fit, maybe if you reach out for afternoon, carry and sun them. Make sun for heat, and because when sun hit all those kind of bacteria, then they reduce their smell. So it is very, very important too, because girls, it they reduce bright price. So
that's exactly.
So shine your eye wear. Shine and wear.
We're gonna need to buy a small break for here, but for the break, we're going to show you some kind of foods we fit to cause this body odor to increase for inside your body. When we come back, other things are gone. Not go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
How to comot body odor. That embarrassing, annoying, unpleasant quanta wey fit reduce your confidence na thing to know how to comot. The good news be say to stop this kind medical quanta, body odor get simple cure if you get patience to do better body care. Simple no mean say you no go work hard sharp. You need to begin practice some healthy hygienic habits and continue to do them for your lifetime. But to do them go become easy and normal thing after some time. When it don't become habit, you go dey do them without stress. So wetin be these things them? Them get 3 parts. Number 1 na diet. Most of the body odor they comot from inside our body from the food wey we dey chop and drink, the chemical process wey dey happen for inside body, plus the toxin wey body dey get. Some food, especially meat and spices with ogbonge odor, fit to make body sweat and smell more. Since these foods dem dey needed for health and you no fit comot dem finish, you fit reduce as you dey chop dem, especially time wey you know say you go sweat well well. So if you know say you wan run race, do manual work or dance for example, e better make you avoid these foods. Food doctors wey be dietitian talk say the vegetable and spice to avoid dem na onion, garlic, hot pepper, chili, cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower. Dairy products and red meat na food to also avoid. Also, increase the whole grain and fiber for the diet wey you dey chop. Drink plenty water because water dey needed to make body dey normal, to cleanse body and reduce as enzymes and body gas dey inside body wey dey comot through the hole on top the skin. Water sef na way to comot dirty from inside body. Number 2 na dermatology. Bath at least once every day or twice if you fit, for morning and for evening. Use body wash or soap wey get antibacterial property. After you bath, tap your skin small with baby powder, baking soda or cornstarch to suck the small water wey remain for the skin. Rub deodorant or antiperspirant under your armpits and feet, although lemon juice and alum better pass the deodorant and antiperspirant. Use fresh smelling scent if you want to, but no try hide your lack of better hygiene with perfume. E dey make the odor dey worse. To exfoliate your skin wey be to comot hard dirty for body dey necessary at least once or twice a week with homemade sugar scrub wey be regular sugar or brown sugar and vegetable oil. Once in a week, soak your feet inside vinegar for 20 to 30 minutes before you go sleep for night. Number 3 na discipline. Bacteria on top the skin wey mix with sweat and dirty dey cause odor. These bacteria na part of our normal life o. So consistent discipline dey necessary to prevent the odor and keep am away. Most of these bacteria dem dey helpful and necessary to keep the natural balance of the skin. To comot the odor, e dey important to keep the skin dry without sweat as much as e dey possible, especially for area where sweat dey like the armpit. You fit stay dry when you wear free loose cloth, light material like cotton and linen, or material wey get wicking property wey dey suck water and suck am comot from the skin. Change your cloth every day, especially underwear, and wash your cloth after each time you wear am. Always carry extra cloth so you fit change comot from the sweaty cloth when you need to. To use these steps on diet, dermatology, and discipline changes you need do in your lifestyle, you fit start to smell good and solve your problem of not to know what to do to comot body odor. My name na Ibukun Bankole.
Now your health don return.
Welcome back. Hope say not be only you waka come o. This na still na your health on top Wazobia TV, where we dey send you all the correct information to make your body dey very kajad. And talking about body being kajad, today now you know say we don dey send you the body odor matter dey come. So if you know say you get this body odor, not be disease, you fit deal with them. It's something that can be treated. We don't dey send you some of the things, you know, how you fit take manage, and we don't even send you some of the food where if you chop, the thing go cause them. Now, we want to send you some tips where you go fit do to make sure, say, this body odor not carrying long leg enter inside your odor mouth. And like my sister been talked before, the first one I say, make you they keep yourself very clean. Clean everywhere. No, they do, as in, no time for dirty. If you know, say you know one smell, then remove any rubbish wey go make you smell on top your body. Clean yourself, shave all those places, because when they sweat like this and the thing mix with the hair, where they for inside those places like your armpits, like your down below, some other places where you get hair, when it mixed there and bacteria where they don't trap, mix with them, it don't be for you. It don't be for you, because the smell where you go to carry the waka, people go to take off, you go to wonder. Person won't greet you, person go just they greet you from yonder, they do like this, you go to wonder, see what's happen, and your body they smell.
Another one, yes, we dey talk of soap, the kind of soap you go use. Now, wetin we talk before we bad break. But now, we dey talk say make you look out specifically antibacterial soap. We talk and say the thing where they cause this thing, make it they smell, na bacteria. So find the soap where go feed they kill, go feed they fight this bacteria for your body. That now what they call antibacterial soap. With antibacterial soap, babe, guy, you're halfway through now. What are we not saying?
Okay, talking about this antibacterial soap, I would like to recommend that before you begin to use antibacterial soap, try and see your dermatologist. Make them know which one they specific to you. Because sometimes people don't use antibacterial soap, they don't come out plus the normal bacteria we're supposed to there. They come the one that say, why everywhere, every time this place they scratch me, they scratch me, they scratch me. Not be so. Our body they come with some kind bacteria where they normal, they know they find trouble.
They call it normal flora.
Yes, normal flora. But if you carry antibacterial soap, come they wash that one come out. Meanwhile, you don't even get body odor normally. That one feel go cause gbege we no good for you. From there, shall we go waka enter the next one? And the next one, now when you bath, this one people go talk say, I don't think I'm like that too. But not true. When you bath, I beg, clean your body well. Dry your body well, because one thing about bacteria, they like moisture. Moisture, they help them grow. So not just leave your body, you just bath and you just carry clothes where begin the waka, they go, no. Dry your body well. Make all those nonsense bacteria where fish say they dive inside water, make them pack their load, they go. Because when you clean your body well like that, air go, they find road to they take the enter. So when you bath finish, I beg, clean your body well. Towel yourself dry.
And the very last one we want to talk now before we enter another break again. Now those offense, those food we will show you for inside the video. We tell you say some food the way they ginger this body odor. We not tell you say make you not chop those food at all oh, because those food serve. We not say get the bad part, but it's still getting own good part. So the way they chop them before, if you like to over chop them, especially now we don't show you the video. Some people go say, moi chop this one, chop that one, reduce them. No cut them off totally. Reduce them. And if you reduce them, you self go to begin to see the effect for inside your body. But feel like say we'll go bad break now because our Tush Your Swag
is waiting in the corner.
Tush Your Swag. Yeah. They're ready for you. Don't go anywhere. We they come back. Tush Your Swag. I gotta tush you.
You're tushing up, baby.
Tush you up, baby.
You hot. You hot tushing.
You hot.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Welcome back. My belly don't full on top all the plenty things what I don't hear today on top this body odor matter. Well, like I talked before, if you know say you get them, not just disturb yourself too much. We don't want you how you fit take manage them. Waiting they cause them. We don't even want you this kind of food where you go chop, where go cost this thing for your body, so make you reduce as you chop. On top that one, we don't tush your swag. I'm sure you are raising your shoulders now because your swag has been tushed. By the time don't reach where we go waka come up for studio, and like my sister, you know as we they do them now.
Yes, so don't forget, so they always pledge peace on top of the show. We they pledge peace because for this our country, for our family, for anywhere where they go, now peace then be the way forward. Until next time, where they say peace out.
We pledge peace.